My name is Pam Mutfwang. I'm the Deputy Gubernatorial Candidate for the All Progressive Congress, APC, the appellants in this case. We thank the Honorable Justices of the Court of Appeal for diligently looking into our appeal. And for those of you that were in there, you would see that the appeal was thoroughly addressed. We thank the victory. Like the chairman said, it is a victory for Plateau State. There is no victor, no vanquish. We appeal to the PDP to come and join hands with us so that we can move Plateau forward. Plateau belongs to all of us. There is no tribe, religion, or better creed than any other. We are all Plateau people. So we appeal to them on behalf of my principal, Dr. Nentawe Goshwe Yilwada. I congratulate Plateau people. Thank you very much.
You want to say something? Do you mind to say something?
Rufus Bature, the APC chairman, Plateau State. Please now, please. Please. Well, first of all, we want to appreciate God for His mercies. We have always envisaged that a day like this will come, and it has come. That which has happened has happened. Even for us Christians, disobedience of the Bible will not lead you to heaven. You must accept Christ as your personal Savior before you go into heaven. And so there are rules that guide our living on earth. And there is the Constitution. Punishment for disobedience is what has happened today. We have always remained calm for today, a day like this. We appreciate God. This is a victory for Plateau State. No victor, no vanquish. We appeal to our followers to remain calm, cool, and be magnanimous in victory. My prayer for them is that they should go back, sit at home, put their house in order, and we'll meet in 2027.